the same as you study in the previous adjective video, but there may be some changes. You learn the table of definite article. They are the das the, then the das the, them they are them then, das they are das, and they are. So I think there is no need to repeat the topic, but our topic remains the same, that we need to do the adjective endung. Okay, so adjective als definite article. Okay, so in definite article, with there we use e, with the we use e, and with thus we use e in the ending of adjective, of the given adjective, whether it's shown, whether it's tall, whether it's hawk, whether it's meisten, and any, and in accusative, it's nominative, accusative, it's dative, and it's genitive. And in accusative, in masculine we use en in ending, and with feminine there is e, and with neutral there is also e, and rest of them all with the ending use en. And it's a good topic. So while you making the note on your notebook of adjective topic, so you made a gun type design. It's just like that. In this gun type design, in definite or indefinite articles, the ending will be changed and the rest of all remains the same. Okay, so we take a reference of indefinite article with eine. We take a table of indefinite article with adjective endung, or same as negation, and same as possessive article. In nominative, masculine, feminine, and neutrum will be changed and rest remains same. And in accusative, feminine and neutral will be changed and the rest remains same. I think that it's a bit tough for you, but let's do the exercise together. So okay, this is the exercise 93, die neue Wohnung ergänzen Sie die Adjective. Before doing the exercise, we will find whether the case is definite, indefinite, or possessive article. Definite article will change. Indefinite, possessive, or demonstrative, and in negation it will remain same as indefinite article. Okay, this case was keine, einen, unserem, seinen is die, für die Küche, and ist keinen, unsere, meine, and ein. So the total cases of indefinite article, you just know the case, whether it's accusative, dative, genitive, or nominative. Okay, so the exercise is easy. It's mobile is used for furniture, and furniture is of any kind. If there is a given information about the single furniture. So furniture is used for more than one thing. It's plural, so we use en in ending. It's all done. And second is einen. It's accusative of masculine. It's großen. You just check the table. And next is unserem with Wohnzimmer. The article of Wohnzimmer is das, and unserem is dative. So we use kleiner. And the next is seinen. It's accusative with masculine. It's weisen. And next is für, and there is also mentioned it's accusative with famine in definite article case. So we use e in the it's keinen, again accusative with masculine, so it's großen. And next is unsere. It's unsere. Yes, famine with indefinite article. There is Lieber. It's eine. It's again famine. It's famine with indefinite article. So we use E, cooler. COOLE. Just check the table and chart. It's minor, again indefinite article with accusative. Hills are biter. It's ein Abendessen, das Abendessen. It's neutral because its article is das with indefinite article neutral. So we use es, leckers, leckers. Okay. So the adjective is much easy, but you just don't take the load in your mind.